What's up, guys? Anthony here. Today is Sunday. I'm going to show you my car. I was doing a video, but apparently I'm not getting out right now. So I'm going to show you from here. You see that? See the seats back there? And there's room back there. I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to show you this front seat. Watch. Gotta wait. It's a truck. Ready? I know it's a fan. It's cold out, that's what happens. Heat works. Yeah. That's this car. This baby is. You know what? Let's go. I'm gonna put you guys right here. We're going for a quick ride. Hold on tight, alright? Say buckle your seatbelts. I know a car in front of me. Thank you. He let me go, so I'm gonna go. Yo, this car's fast. Ready, guys? I'm gonna burn it real quick. Dude, that's a burnout. You heard that, guys, right? I'm trying to get home before my mom gets home. I'm supposed to be sleeping right now. So. It's fun doing that. Trying to be careful around here. Oh, shoot. Okay, slow down. Okay. Well, that car he's the same car as me. Everybody has Durangos these days. I'm keeping this Durango. This Durango does a lot of burnouts. I'm getting new tires anyway, so I don't even care. Probably see the window moving. A little slower around here. Yeah, what are you doing, man? Move out of the way. People crazy. We're gonna go a lot of burnouts. Ready? Yo! I honestly see the skid marks I did. This is awesome. This car did. Oh shit! Neighbor's here. Shit! I'm seeing me. Oh well. Anyways, that's a car. It's not a decent car, but it does burnouts. I smell rubber from here. You should see that smoke. It was amazing. It smoked the whole area. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I don't want this to break. I just got this thing just for the snow. So it comes off automatically. See, back here. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. I know I'm doing this again. Fortunate. Alright. Serious? It makes different noises. Like if I set an alarm, right? If I stop the car, if I didn't know the alarm, I forget the alarm, it goes, I'll show you. Actually, it'll do different. A little beep, beep, really slow. Yeah, alright. Cool gum. Oh, this is not... Alright, guys. Give it a thumbs up. If you like my car, give it a thumbs up if you don't. If you have any questions, concerns, comment below. Sorry about the intro. My video kept stopping, so... Alright. Thumbs up if you like it. Questions, concerns, comment below. Keep it cool. Alright, keep it cool.